quick verdict, NordLayer is a strong, easy-to-manage TNA option for small businesses in 2026. Solid identity integration, device posture checks, cloud LAN and FWAS features, plus dedicated gateways when you need static IPs. What we like, fast onboarding and intuitive admin console good for small IT teams is TNA plus device posture enforcement, enforce identity and device checks before access, cloud LAN, virtual LAN and site-to-site options for secure access to on-prem resources, dedicated or private gateways and static IPs for IP whitelisting or compliance limitations. Per user pricing can get expensive as headcount grows. Not a full endpoint security suite, you'll still need EDR or antivirus and broader SOC controls. Some reviewers note limited support channels for enterprise customers, varied experiences, who it's best for small businesses, startup SMB that need quick TNA adoption without heavy infra changes, teams needing simple identity-based access, RDP or file access via cloud LAN or static IPs for partner integrations. Feature highlights: practical impact, identity integrations, Okta, Entra ID, Jump Cloud, etc. Make SO or SCIM provisioning easy, device posture checks and MFA reduce risk from compromised or unmanaged devices, secure web gateway, cloud firewall. FWAS provides URL or DNS filtering and segmentation for basic CE controls. Deployment cost guidance, pilot 5-10 users first, verify SO or SCIM, device posture rules, and a private gateway if you need whitelisted IPs. Start on Core for posture and SUG features. Upgrade to Pro or Enterprise for cloud LAN and advanced segmentation as you scale. Expect per user monthly pricing. Factor in dedicated gateway costs and third-party identity provider. Licensing, bottom line, for small businesses that want modern TNA without the complexity of heavyweight C platforms. NordLayer offers a pragmatic balance of security, usability, and features. Just plan for per user costs and pair it with endpoint controls.